Our old goats is going to jungle or forest over there with my husband. Now delete him to eat grasses or leaves over there. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The tree small, no? Ah. You see this one? You see that two? They're two brothers. They're this bakra. Now coming Kurbani, coming 7, we have to sacrifice this to her. Oh, you see that? Mashallah. Yan. We have to sacrifice it. One for my husband and one for me. Counting days for them, this two bakra he goats. Yan. With our tiger also, with my husband. Nauna yung tiger namin. O, yun yung tiger namin. Ah. Ah. Mashallah. Mashallah. You see how they are fighting together? Mashallah. They will go over there. And then after maybe 1 o'clock or 1:30, then my husband, he will come here to take lunch. And then until there is rain. No, I think there is no rain today. Today is June 1 and today is Sunday. Time check Pakistan time is I think 10:30 a.m. or 11 a.m. now. So alhamdulillah, they are already there. And the 3 babies, I don't know where are they. 3 babies, where are they there? The 3 small. So they are 8, 9, 8, 8 is there. And 3 babies is, I don't know where are they. Here. Mashallah, here. Oh, yan. Ito na. Ito when delivered last April 2. April? Yeah. April, so May, June. So coming, tomorrow they are already 2 months. They are here, there. They are here. So tomorrow they will be 2 months. Yan. They are all 3 hay goats. This one. 3 hay goats. And over there. Now they start now to eat leaves. You go now up. Mashallah. Oh, they're there. Still they're eating leaves or grasses. These 2 he goats, mashallah. Counting days. Today is 1 and coming 7. There is already Kurbani or we have to sacrifice this one. Eid all Azah. Ito yung i-sacrifice namin. They are already up. You see our tiger is over there. Our tiger is security for our goats. When my husband come here for lunch and our all goats over there, then our tiger is taking care of them. He's loving to our goats, our tiger. You see, my husband is there. Oh, our goats is all now there in jungle. So my husband is watching there. Oh, one brown is there. Sana yung my husband is watching there. Climate, I think, because yesterday or before yesterday it's raining. So I think rain is coming again. Because as you can see the sky, it's half cloudy and half sunny. So my mobile, alhamdulillah, it's okay now, but my sim is not working. So inshallah, today is Sunday, that franchise is closed. So tomorrow inshallah will Fahad said the same number but another sim to put again here in my mobile, so I cannot open my uh, YouTube, my WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook. But all my videos already deleted because it was happened last 27 when Sister Mariam left. At that time there is 5:30 p.m. start rain. So after one day, after 28 hours, there is light come. Then when I open my mobile, it's already dead. So last 29, Fahad, he bring my mobile there in mobile shop. So 29, 30, 2 days they make repair my mobile. And then 31, yesterday, Fahad, he get my mobile. It's already arranged, but problem is SIM. But inshallah, it will be come again, my all videos. But all my videos in my my mobile is already deleted, so I have to make again new videos. Look our goats, how many here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 4 6 8. They are eating these leaves. This leaves is, they call it here kicker, and this is plums. And this one, they are eating also leaves of these plums. As you can see, the fruits of plums now, some already ripe. You can see the red and some green also. This tree of plums and fruits. You see this all goes how they are eating together. They like too much this kind of leaves, kicker. Mm. Mashallah. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 here, and some over there is 8. 3 over there, I think. 8 goats are here, and 3 over there. Uh, so total 11. And what is this one? This one. Bakra, this is he goat. We have to sacrifice this one coming 7. That one. They are 2. I don't know where is another one. Oh, over there. That one. That one. This black. We have to sacrifice. 2 we have to sacrifice on Eid. Coming 7. So 2 days left more.